On today's body cam, we're checking out police knew they're trying to hide something.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hi, license proof insurance. Reason for the stop, ma'am, there's a couple reasons. One, you're going a little too fast for the road conditions. Okay, I got you at about 10 over. All right, the second reason for the stop, ma'am, is your registration's been expired since October, okay?
The sticker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's when it expired because it just says 23 on it.
The state of Illinois, screwed up, so it just said the year on it, but on the registration, plaque you would get, it would have the month on it, but I know it's a little confusing sometimes.
So, okay. So that's actually expired is what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, license.
You got your ID on you too, bro?
There we go.
Thank you. And then just your insurance, ma'am.
Oh, I gotta pull it up on the phone. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course. And then your ID, man.
My ID's at my house.
Okay.
I was going to my house.
That's fine. I'm just gonna need your name and DOB. Okay, you're not wearing a seatbelt. Okay, so I'm gonna identify you. All right, and then I don't really want to write anybody to you, but just.
I was gonna say because you can't just the passengers don't really gotta identify, but now. Yeah, you're not wearing a seatbelt. Yeah, you're a part of it now. So there's got to be a reason. But yeah, okay.
Make sure you're wearing. I'll give
Got
you a
caught
few
out there.
Yeah, here it is.
Oh, you got it.
4124.
All right, very good. All right. There's two. I can see rolling papers in the center console, and there's a strong odor of cannabis coming from within the vehicle as well. She's from Mundaline. He doesn't have his ID. All right, Miss Tina, can you do me a favor? Come talk to me back here, please. All right, so there's a couple things going on, okay? So one, your license clear, valid, everything like that, okay? Two more things, all right? First thing, I saw you had the parole hit, okay? What are we on parole for?
I'm not on parole.
So you got a hit for...
No, I'm on pretrial.
Pretrial?
Yeah.
What for?
I got caught with possession.
Of controlled substance, firearms, okay.
Yeah, it was back in June.
Okay.
And it wasn't even a substance, it was vitamin powder.
Okay. I'm going to be doing a search of the car, okay? Based off the odor of cannabis. Okay. Is there anything in the car I need to know about? Just be straight up with me. All right.
Just weed.
Just weed? All right, I'm not too worried about the weed. Is there any controlled substances, anything else? All right, if it is, just tell me.
Well, since last time they did the raid, you'll see they took off the container, the tops to the stuff. They trashed my car, and I never got it back the way it should have been.
Okay. Is there anything in the car I need to know about?
No, just the weed.
Okay, so I'm not going to find any coke, not going to find any meth, heroin, anything like that. Tell me now. Tell me where it is, all right, and I'll work with you.
You might find an empty baggie or something that they threw around back there.
Where is it?
Oh, I don't know. No, I'm saying I don't know.
All right, but I'm not going to pull out,
No, hell no. No, hell no. You pull out no shit out of my car.
Can you do me a favor? Can you open like that? All right, unzip your coat.
94, 93.
Coat's unzipped.
Oh, all the way.
Yeah, that's right.
No weapons.
No weapons.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Ah.
94, 93, 10 4.
What's that?
It's my baby.
Let me see.
It's not.
Let me see.
3, 10 4 at the 7-Eleven.
Let me see.
It's the baby food.
Oh my gosh. Come on. Up. And then you try to pick it up and turn the opposite way. Put your back to the officer to try to put it back, man. Come on. This is a good officer. I ain't gonna lie. This is a good officer, man. Good officer. Unzip it all the way, and then guess what? Boop! Oh, stuff starts falling out, huh?
Okay.
Oh, shit.
94, 93, 10 4.
What's that?
It's my baby.
Let me see.
It's not.
Let me see.
3, 10 4 at the 7-Eleven.
Let me see.
It's the baby food.
What'd you dump out? That's
I didn't have anything.
Yep.
This is my daughter's food.
Drop it.
I didn't have anything.
Drop it. I can see it. Stop. What are you doing? Let go. 13, start with another. Hands behind your back, put it on the squad car. Put everything on the squad.
Listen, you made me put it in because you have no contact order with me.
94, 93, can you head back over to the 7-Eleven?
Okay, all right.
Calm down. I have the baby.
Go location. 94.
Okay, put your other arm behind your back. Okay. All right, just let me play. Be quiet. All right. All right, controlled substance. We got another one in the car. What else is in the car?
Nothing.
When I asked you, what was in the car? All right, what you had?
Listen to what I'm telling you.
Why are you being
I have no contact.
against you? Yes, I know.
He made me jump over. He was the one driving, and he forced me to sit in there. I bruises all over my arm.
You got no contact order again?
Yeah.
Okay. They said it?
Yeah. Go stand by him. I got this. What else is
He
in there?
made me jump over.
Okay.
In the gas station.
Okay.
You didn't see me jump over.
Get in the car.
Oh, for real.
Get in the car.
Please.
Get
Please,
in the
you know where my kid
Get in
is.
the car.
I'm telling you.
You're under arrest for what? You have no contact order.
Search is going to be done in the car. What's in the car?
No contact order.
Okay, why'd we hit the old switcheroo too when we were driving?
We've been doing this longer than a day, man.
Yeah. Why'd we switch seats?
You just didn't want to get in trouble?
I mean, you're revoked. You know, there's a lot of things going on, but why'd we hit the switcheroo, bro? Why'd you jump in the passenger seat?
I don't want to get poked.
Okay.
I don't want to be surprised, okay?
Yeah. So what do we got? Guys haven't been truthfully honest when I asked, so now we got to do this, okay? All right.
Order protection.
That and then controlled substance. Okay. Well, we'll figure everything out, okay? But right now, you got the stalking, no contact order. All right. So you guys can't be around each other. So that's what's going on.
Damn, stalking, no contact order? You stalking her?
We'll figure it all out.
Yeah. She's in the back of my car. She dumped controlled substances out because she kept holding stuff like this. I asked her if it fell out. She said it's baby food. She dumped it all over here. Oh yeah, for her, yeah, and the car too. Okay, hop out.
Are you there? Get the camera from your sleeve. Don't you see you forced me?
Well, right now, you know, you obstructed.
Forced me to come over.
Okay, but
You don't understand.
okay, but here's the issue too.
This is all over.
Here's the issue too. When I ask you if you have anything, and then I ask you to stop. No, because I asked you to let go. All right. The container fell out. I told you, what's that? What's that? You opened it. You proceeded to dump out.
No,
All right.
I was turning around.
No, you weren't.
I was.
Man, we have it on camera.
We have it on body.
Okay, and you should have it on camera.
So right now, then that's obstruction.
If you look on the cameras from the side, you'll see he forced me over. I don't know. And then he forced me.
What?
We'll figure it out when we station.
Yeah, just making sure. Well, you also said there was nothing in the car. When I asked what this was, you said baby food. I mean, unless you're giving your
Listen,
baby cocaine.
because I know he was so right there.
Why are... We'll figure it out when we get there, okay?
Believe it or not, we have met dishonest drug users.
Yeah, but...
And they have a straw.
Yeah, I know.
Imagine that.
I know. I don't like when people are dishonest. You know, it really hurts Officer Janos' feelings, okay? All right, so, you know, right now, I'm going to tell you again, I'm advising you under arrest, okay, for possession of a controlled substance. We're going to go down to CENTCOM, figure everything out. All right, so scooch in. Vehicle's going to be towed. I'll have all the information for you, okay? All right, well, let's toss the car. I'm going to take a guess that's urine. We got some weed. Oh, here we go. Got it. What is that? Is that a tooth? It's like cannabis and shit. Oh, so he does have his ID. He said he did it.
Inside the car, officers discovered a...
Yeah. Damn. Damn. Yep. They discovered all of that. Let's see where charges is. Yeah, she's smiling. Ain't not a goddamn thing is funny, man. Damn, obstruction. Let's see, did anything else happen? No.
She was arrested and...
All right, so that's that, man. Crazy.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide. Crazy as footage on a minute.